Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make booking your next adventure as smooth as possible. Today, we're tackling how to book on Agoda using a credit card in 2025. With Agoda's user-friendly platform, securing your hotel or flight is quicker than ever, and we'll walk you through it step by step. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, this guide will have you booked and ready to go in no time. First things first, fire up the Agoda website or app on your phone or computer. It's optimized for 2025, so expect a sleek interface. Start by searching for your destination. Type in the city, dates, and number of guests. Agoda's smart search will pull up tons of options, from budget stays to luxury resorts. Once you've got your results, browse through the listings. Check reviews, photos, and amenities to pick the perfect spot. Select your preferred hotel and room type, then hit Book Now to move to the details page. Here, you'll review your itinerary, including dates, room preferences, and any add-ons like breakfast or airport transfers. Now, for the credit card part, don't worry, it's secure. Scroll to the payment section and choose Credit Card as your method. Enter your card details carefully: the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Agoda might ask for billing address info for verification, so have that handy. If you have promo codes or rewards points, apply them here to save some cash. Double-check everything on the summary page to avoid any surprises. Once you're good, click Confirm Booking. You'll get an instant confirmation email, and your trip is locked in. Pro tip: always use a secure network for transactions and keep an eye on your card statements for any unauthorized charges. There you have it. Booking on Agoda with a credit card is straightforward and stress-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.